Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Epic Games Fortnite install error. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to make sure is that you need to ensure that you have at least 90 GBs or more for free storage on your hard drive and a stable internet connection. If that doesn't work, what you want to simply try to do is simply press Ctrl Shift and Escape on your keyboard. It will open up your task manager. You want to click on Epic Games Launcher and then click on End Task. And now you want to simply go ahead and relaunch it, which should go ahead and fix all the bugs and issues. However, if that is not the case, then in order to go ahead and make the installation successful, what you can try to do is change your install location. All you need to do is simply go to Library, click on the Install on Fortnite, and now you want to simply choose the installation folder, something different than what it suggests, which should definitely fix your problem. If that is not the case, you might also need to go ahead and clear your launcher's web cache. Simply press Windows R, and now you want to type in %localappdata, click on OK, and then simply look for Epic Games Launcher. Simply delete all the folders that are in there. Now that should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.